Okay, students, now I move to our course contents of economics. Before going to the course contents or matter of economics, first you see the name of the book, An Introduction to Economics, and a textbook for class 11, and this is written by J.P. Goel and Dr. H. Gochani. This is actually one of the reference book which is available in the market, and we recommend this book for the first year and second year. And there are also different books of economics written by different authors, and for better knowledge you can buy these two books also. Now in the previous class, your respected Shikhaman has told you about the syllabus of economics. What are the topics that you have to gone through the first year, and your syllabus, again I like to highlight your syllabus for your better knowledge. Your syllabus is divided into two parts. First part contains the matter of statistics. I think you do have knowledge about statistics in class 10. And second part is microeconomics. In statistical part, you will get some different calculations and different presentation of table, diagram, etc. That means different calculations like mean, median, mode, correlation, index number. These are different calculations, and different diagrams like different diagrams like bar diagram, then subdivided by bar diagram, then pie diagrams. These are diagrammatical representation, and you have to learn in the statistical part. And in the second part you will get the actual concept of economics. That means there are two parts of economics, microeconomics and macroeconomics. And in microeconomics you will get the idea about the different micro variables. Now I like to discuss about economics. What is economics, or what do you mean by economics? First, you see that economics is a subject of social science. It implies that it is not the subject of pure science or the general science like physics and chemistry. So, what kind of contents or variables we'll get to study in economics? Or what do you mean by economics? First, you see the term economics is derived from two Greek words, oikos and nomos. Again, you listen, oikos and nomos. These are the two words from which we derive the term economics. Economics is the term which is derived from these two words, oikos and nomos. Oikos implies households and nomos implies management. Or in a sense we can say that economics is the management of a household. Can you get the point? Economics is derived from two words, oikos and nomos. If we combine both the term, then oikos nomos, and which implies households management, or in a sense we can say that economics is the management of households. Different economists has given different definitions of economics. They have emphasized different aspects of economic activities. We can divide the definition of economics in different types. First definition of economics is known as wealth definition. First definition of economics is known as wealth definition. wealth definition. This definition of economics was given by the famous economist or the pioneer of economics, Adam Smith. Adam Smith. He is also known as father of economics. Father of economics. As he is the pioneer of the economics, and therefore he is called as the father of economics. And the name of the book written by Adam Smith was An Enquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nation. Again, you see the name of book written by Adam Smith, that is father of economics. An Enquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nation. And shortly, this book is also known as Wealth of Nation. From this wealth definition, in your exam, you may ask to write who is known as father of economics. Then the answer will be Adam Smith, because he is the starter or the pioneer of economics systematically. From his time period, there was prevail a systematic study of economics. So he is also known as the father of economics. Next question: what is the name of the book written by Adam Smith? The answer will be what? An Enquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nation. Another important question you may ask in the examination is that in which year he published the book, that is Wealth of Nation, or An Enquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nation. This is what? In the year 1776, he published the book of economics, which is known as Wealth of Nation. According to Adam Smith, economics is the study or science of wealth. It is the shortest definition given by, it is one of the shortest definition given by Adam Smith, or the father of economics, Adam Smith. That is, economics is the study or science of wealth. The main point of this definition is wealth. When a subject study about wealth, it is called economics. So in simple sense, economics is the study or science of wealth. According to him, main purpose of all the activities of man is earn wealth. That means human being perform different kinds of activities. Now question may come, why the human being used to perform different kinds of activities. Activities can be divided into two parts. Then human activity can be classified into two parts. First is physical activity and mental activity. So why do you perform this physical and mental activity? What are the reason behind the performance of this kind of activities? We perform these two activities, physical as well as mental activities, to earn wealth. Your parents are engaged in these two type of activities, and why they do so? Because to earn income or wealth, they have to perform physical as well as mental activities. Therefore, Adam Smith emphasized the production and expansion of wealth as the subject matter of economics. Again, you see, he emphasized the production and expansion of wealth as the subject matter. That's why human beings are engaged in the production of wealth and expansion of wealth. So Main point of Adam Smith or Smithian definition is wealth, that different people performs different kinds of activities like physical and mental activities to attain wealth. Our concentration is on wealth only, how to earn wealth in our daily life. Therefore, economics is considered as the science of wealth. Students, I think you have got the concepts of economics and the definition given by Adam Smith. So, economics is the study or science of wealth, and human beings are engaged in earning and expansion of wealth through their physical and mental activities. And in this definition, or from this definition, we learn many things which has the probability of uh, coming in the examination, or we can say that from the examination point of view, from this definition we have learned different concept, different questions. First thing is that who is known as father of economics? Your answer will be Adam Smith is known as father of economics. Second question is what is the name of book written by Adam Smith? The answer will be what? An Enquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nation. That is, in short, we can say that it is the wealth of nation. And in which year, next question, in which year the book of Adam Smith was published? The answer will be what? In 1776. He published his great epic Wealth of Nation. Now we move to the main features of economics. First point of the definition of economics given by Adam Smith is that it studies, or economics studies, the nature of wealth and causes that increase wealth. You see, the economics will study about the nature of wealth and causes that increase, not the actually, it should be that increase in wealth. Therefore, it studies all the economic activities of human being in relation to wealth. So, it will study, or economics will study the all economic activities of human being, that is performed by human being in earning wealth, or which are related to wealth. This is the first feature of the Smithian definition or Adam Smith's definition. Again, you see, it will study, or economics will study about the nature of wealth and causes that increase in wealth, or it will discuss, or therefore it will discuss the different activities performed by human being which are in relation to wealth. Second, in his definition, he told that economics is the study of wealth. So, the term wealth has been used only for material goods which are scarce in nature. The material goods like table, chair, books, pen, etc. So, he indicates only the material goods which are scarce. Here, wealth means material goods. Again, you see the definition given by Adam Smith, also known as wealth definition. That means he give importance in the concentration of wealth. How can earn the different kinds of wealth in human life. So here the meaning of wealth is material goods which are scarce, that means which are not available in nature. Different kinds of goods are there, material goods are there, tangible goods are there, which can be termed as wealth. That means in our daily life we use different goods. As a students, you also use different goods. In your home you use actually different kinds of goods which all are called as material goods. So human behavior or human activities are related to the attainment of this kind of material goods, but these goods are not scarce, or these goods are scarce, that means these are not available in nature. Next, our third point, it is an enquiry into the causes of increase in wealth. It is implies what here? Economics. Economics is an enquiry into the causes of increase in wealth. That means, how can we increase the wealth in our daily life? It is an enquiry. That means economics will enquire what? About the causes of increase in wealth. What are the different causes through which we can increase the amount of wealth in our daily life? It is it will discuss about economics. Therefore, to increase the wealth, production of material goods has to be stepped up. That means to increase the amount of wealth, we have to produce these material goods. Okay, I think you have got the points that I have discussed up till now. Now we move to the fourth point, or the main features, and that means fourth main features of economics. Fourth important features of economics is the economic man. That means wealth definition lays emphasis on the man who does all activities of his self-interest. That means human being will perform his activities for his self-interest only. Such a man motivated by self-interest is called economic man. That means all economic activities will perform by a human being in his lifespan for his own interest or self-interest, and such type of person or man is called as economic man. And in wealth definition, we'll discuss, or Adam Smith speak about the economic man only. That means the person who will perform his activity for his own interest or self-interest. So I think all of you have got the concept or the definition of Adam Smith. If you have any query, then you can ask me personally. Then we move to the next definition, which is known as welfare definition.